Happy New Year, people, and Happy New Month. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. So today we'll be making this very healthy, simple, and delicious vegetable sauce. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. All the ingredients to the recipe you'd see as we cook. So to the pot I added in some beef that has been cut into bite sizes, and I added in some chopped garlic and chopped ginger rather, and some onions. And I added in some seasoning powder, some salt, some curry powder, and some thyme. So I'll just mix all of that together. Then I added in some dried fish, and then I'll go in with 2 cups of water, enough to cook this beef. So I'll just stir that one last time, then I'll cover and allow it cook. So while the meat is cooking, I'll just go ahead and begin to prepare the vegetable I'll be using. I'm using this vegetable that we call green here in Nigeria. So all I have done to it is wash it properly to take away dirt and sand. Then I cut it into very big chunks, and now all I'm trying to do is wilt it down. So I'll wilt it until I have just put it into a dried pot on low heat, and I'll just allow it steam until it wilts down. So guys, please, if this is your first time here, you are very welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit on that like button, and share with your friends. And also don't forget to interact with me in the comment section. Thank you. So now that the vegetable is wilted down, we'll go back to the beef. And at this point, the beef is well cooked and the water has dried down. So we'll just take that off the heat and begin to make the sauce proper. To a clean pot, I'll add in some vegetable oil. Then I'll add in some chopped onions, and then some chopped garlic and scotch bonnet pepper, aka atarodo. Yes. So I'll just stir that in the oil and allow it fry for a bit until it is fragrant. Then I'll add in some chopped red bell peppers. I'll leave a little bit for later. I'll also stir that in and allow it fry for a bit. Then I'll add in some chopped tomatoes. In there I have 2 plum tomatoes that I chopped. So I'll just add that in and allow it fry. I'll cover and allow it fry for about 5 minutes, after which I'll just come back and stir to see if it is well fried. And at this point it is well fried. The water from the tomato has dried out, so I'll just put back the cooked beef and stir that together. I'll mix that properly, then I'll cover and allow it cook for another 5 minutes. So at this point I'll just come and check for seasoning. I'll check if the seasoning is okay or not. Yeah, that's what I am doing. So I realized I needed a little bit more seasoning, so I'm adding a little bit of the seasoning powder and a little bit of salt and curry powder. So I'll just mix all of that together, and this sauce is as good as ready. As it is now, you can decide to just enjoy it with your rice, but we're going to use this for vegetables. So at this point I'll introduce the wilted vegetables, then I'll mix all of this goodness together. So guys, please, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to also like, share, and of course leave me a comment. Let us interact in the comment section. Thank you very much. So I'll just continue to mix that together until it is well combined. Just look at how beautiful this looks already. Wow, I love the color. I'll mix this. Now I'll add in the remaining bell peppers just for a pop of color, and look at how it has enriched the color. So I'll mix all that together and allow it to cook for about a minute or so, and it is ready. Ready. So after about a minute or so, I'll just turn off the heat, and this is ready. Thank you very much for sticking with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Continue to eat healthy and stay safe. Bye.